Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Echolife WA8021V5. First, gather all the components like the router, power adapter, and Ethernet cables. Next, connect the power adapter to the router and a power outlet. Then, connect one end of an Ethernet cable to the router's WAN port and the other to your internet source. Finally, connect your computer to the router via Wi-Fi or another Ethernet cable to access its settings. Let's start with the physical connections. Begin by plugging the power adapter into your Echolife WA8021V5 and then into a wall outlet. Next, take an Ethernet cable and connect it from your internet service provider's device, like a modem, to the WAN port on your router. If you have a wired device, use another Ethernet cable to connect it to one of the LAN ports. Make sure all the necessary indicator lights on the router are illuminated. Now that your router is physically connected, it's time to access its settings. Connect your computer or smartphone to the router, either through Wi-Fi using the default network name and password found on the device label, or via an Ethernet cable. Open your web browser and type in the router's default IP address, usually something like 192.168.1.1. Then, log in using the default username and password. Once you're logged into the router's web interface, navigate to the Internet Settings or Quick Setup section. You'll need to select your connection type, such as PPPoE or DHCP, based on your internet service provider's requirements. Enter any necessary credentials, like a username and password for PPPoE. Don't forget to set up your Wi-Fi network name and a strong, secure password. Save your changes and restart the router to apply the new configuration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.